when we talk about something having momentum in everyday language, we mean that it's up and moving and it's going to keep moving. And in physics, basically momentum gives you an idea of how difficult it would be to stop something. In this screen we're looking at the idea of analysing that from when two objects collide, with all of this is leading up to look at collisions. And the size of the force depends on the properties, but so does this concept of how difficult it is to stop, and we'll see that actually they share these ideas. So what would affect how hard it is to stop something? Well, the first thing would be the mass of the moving object. The greater the mass, the greater will be the force applied, the harder to stop. And secondly, the speed of the moving object, or the velocity. So we define momentum as mass times velocity. And momentum is a vector quantity. Its units, it doesn't have any special units, so it's just the units of mass and velocity run together, so kilogram meters per second. And because it's a vector quantity, we've got to be very clear about direction in problems involving momentum. Usually, in fact, they are always one-dimensional, so it's really just a case of getting your plus and your minus sorted. What direction's positive, what direction's negative.